Hello, good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Christine, and welcome to the channel. Today is going to be about AI. I spoke earlier today regarding this, and this is about the revolution of healthcare communication. So important, and I just wanted to, just inform you. I'm just going to drink this water. Apologies for that. I wanted to inform you that this is such an exciting moment in time for us all, for example, especially when it comes to communication with AI. It is such a beneficial aspect of your healthcare business. And I'm just going to go through this with you. And I'll also share with you the websites as well for you to actually go on and have a look. So stay with me and watch this to the end, because in this live session, you'll discover about how voice AI, the tools like Twilio and Google Dialogflow, how it's transforming people's businesses, for example, with client communication. And for healthcare businesses, it will also help you to look at the links. Once I finish this video today, I'm going to put it into the chat, but I'll also put it into the description as well. Because what I want you to be able to do is to look at this to see what it can do for your organization, voice AI, to automate your appointment scheduling, answering any inquiries that you may have, and also improve your client satisfaction. And what we're going to talk about today is, like I said, voice AI, and showing you the links and how you can make it work. We go through this in deep depth in our boot camp, which is our AI boot camp, the first ever for 2025, for example, and we are covering AI, which is amazing. It's going to be over 5 days, so it's going to be intensive, but it's also going to help you to understand what it is, whether you decide to use an organization like ourselves. We do AI automation services as well for healthcare businesses, but whether you want to try and do this for yourself, it is, it's entirely up to you. Okay, so but today I really want to open your minds to AI, to see what it can do for your healthcare business, because it is a game changer. Okay, so like I said, I've been in healthcare for 35 years. 35 years experience in healthcare. I've had my own businesses in healthcare for over 20 years, and I've been in 3 recessions in my businesses as well. So I've been hit with everything that you could possibly think of, and I know what works and what doesn't work as well. I've been in the trenches, for example, and I want to prevent that from happening to you, because we've got the inflation happening. So we've got to look at how we can be the most effective in our business. And I'm here to show you those strategies of how you can be effective in your business, and to also put money aside, save money aside 10-15% every month, to help you if you do get faced with a challenge in your business or a crisis, that it doesn't just wipe you out. Okay, so I just wanted to explain this to you as well. So welcome everyone, and the chat is there as well, and I'd love to hear your feedback once you've gone on to Twilio as well as Google Dialogflow as well for your healthcare business. So welcome to, we're in day 2, aren't we? Sorry, yes, day 2, part 2. And earlier on, I talked about how voice AI is transforming healthcare businesses by automating repetitive tasks and improving client communication. So I'm going to follow on from that and go a step further with you, and we'll look at the tools, the Twilio and the Google dialogue flow, for example, and I will share the links with you for you to have a look and play around with it yourself so you can see what's actually involved. It can be, a bit scary when you look at it to begin with, but it takes time, and at the end of the day, really, I just want to make you aware of it. And you can pay agents, like, we can, as myself, being an AI automation solution provider, for example, for AI, I can implement this for you. And what's so wonderful is that we do an audit, and then we do a flow of what you're lacking, what the problem is, and then we try and look at what that solution is and which AI agent we can introduce into your organization as well, because this is the future now. So we might as well embrace this. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to go a bit deeper today about what I talked about earlier. So what I'd love is, by the end of this session, I'd love for you to share this video, as well as like and subscribe, for example. But also, I want to be able to set you up and show you the tools of how it can fit into your automation strategy for your healthcare business. And that's what this is about tonight, for example. Now we're in day 2 already, because we did day 1 yesterday. Now we're in day 2 of this is what I call the mini AI bootcamp challenge, for example. We do have our real bootcamp in 2 weeks' time, for example, and we hold them every month, for example, and we dive really deep into this. You'll be totally immersed, and you'll be able to see it in action and how it works and how it can benefit. And I will also be showing you, with either one of you or a couple of you, how to do a audit, for example, to do a AI audit on your organization to see what tools would be best for your organization, because we're all at different stages in your healthcare businesses, for example. So what is Twilio? Well, Twilio is a cloud communication platform that lets you automate your text messages, your voice and email communication, and it is ideal for scheduling, reminders, confirming appointments, and following up with clients. I'm going to put the link to the Twilio website at the end. I'm going to put it into the chat once I've finished my educational learning section here with you, for example, this training. But what I also want to do is talk about there's Google Dialog Flow. So Google Dialog Flow is an AI powered platform for building conversational chatbots, and also it does voice assistance as well. So it's perfect for automating common inquiries and creating a seamless client experience. Like I said, the link will be in the chat as well. I hope everyone's doing well as well. So why should you combine these two tools together? So together, Twilio and Dialogflow can create a complete communication system that automates calls, text messages, chatbots, interactions, ensuring that your clients will always receive prompt and professional response. Isn't that amazing? No matter what time, they can call. So if there's a problem and they may need you to come early, or maybe they won't be in at a particular time, then you can reschedule, or they may need to cancel due to being taken to hospital, for example. This will all be sorted out with the AI. And what is so wonderful about it is that it will then go onto your rota, for example, so that your candidates, your staff members or contractors will know that they're not to go to a particular person, so they're not wasting their journey, for example. Okay, so like I said, why use these tools together? And that is the reason why. So let's look at you setting up your Twilio, for example, your AI Twilio. So start with Twilio and set up an automated text system for your appointment reminders. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to listen to this video after I've spoken. I'm going to put the links in to the chat. I'm also going to put them in the description as well. But I want to talk to you about this first. So once you've gone to Twilio website, you want to go to the website, read about it, find out about more so that you've got a good idea, and create an account. You'll need to verify your number because they want to make sure that it's you, for example. And then what you do, the second thing is you set up a messaging service. So in the Twilio dashboard, go to messaging services, create message service. Then you want to name your service and choose notify my users, for example. Add a phone number. This is how you create in the flow, for example. You'll need to purchase a Twilio phone number or link an existing one. So select the number for your messaging service that you want to use. And then you create a SMS template. So an example would be, hello, client name. This is a reminder for your appointment on date and time. Please reply confirm to confirm your appointment or reschedule to change it. Now this can be with your candidates, with your staff members as well. But it's also good to remind the client as well that they've got the appointment at this particular time. So you can integrate it with your CRM. So use a tool like Zapier to connect the Twilio with your CRM or scheduling software.